Hi everyone, this is Santhosh Kumar. Welcome to MAXLOGICALS. First of all, thanks for all of you being here in my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss some previous year questions which is asked in MSET examination, both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. These questions are asked from the integration topic. Let's see the question. What is the question? Integral x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole power 4 and x plus 3 into dx. How much this value? Now we are finding the integration of this part. We write the x plus 1 and x plus 3 multiple of x plus 2 whole power 4 dx. Now multiple these two terms, x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 multiple of x plus 2 whole power 4 dx. Next we can do the x square plus 3x plus 3x is 4x plus here 3 I write the 4 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 multiple of x plus 2 whole power 4 dx. The integral of this term I will write the x plus 2 whole square minus 1 multiple of x plus 2 whole power 4 dx. Now we can do the multiple of these two terms. That is, now integration of x plus 2 whole square into x plus 2 whole power 4 minus x plus 2 whole power 4 dx. Now split the integration. X plus 2 whole power 6 dx minus integral x plus 2 whole power 4 dx. Now we can do the integration. Already you know what is the integral of x power n. What is the integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now the integration of this part is x plus 2 whole power 7 by 7 minus, what is the integration of this part? X plus 2 whole power 5 by 5 plus c. This is the final answer. Now we check the options. Let's see the option A. And option A is in three terms. But we have only two terms. No, option A is wrong answer. Option B is wrong answer. Option C is the correct answer. We can discuss the another question. Let's see the second question. What is the second question? Integral of 3 power minus log of 9 x square. That is the how much this part of the integration. Now clearly observe this question. First we can do the integral of 3 minus 2 log of 9 x. Here base is how much? 9. So we can write that base is log of 3 square x and integral of minus 3 minus 2 by 2 log of base 3x. Here dx and here dx. This is the 2 and 2 are cancelled. Integral 3 power minus log of base 3 and x dx. Here we clearly observe this term. First of all, we have the power value and the base value is both are same. Now here okay. And then next integral of 3 power minus log of base 3 and x dx. What is the a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m? So integral of 1 by 3 power log of 3x dx. 3x dx. Here we can observe this term. Here base and power values are both are same, so here cancel the log, so 1 by x dx. We know already what is the value of integral of 1 by x is log of modulus of x plus c. Log of modulus of x plus c. Let's see the options. Option A 2 log x plus c is wrong answer. Option B log x plus c is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all. Please do like, share and subscribe.